Step 1. Harvesting the cacao pods. Cacao trees grow in tropical regions mostly near the equator. Ripe cacao pods are cut by hand using machetes or knives. Each pod contains about 20 to 50 cacao beans surrounded by a sweet white pulp. Step 2. Fermentation. The beans and pulp are placed in shallow containers, wooden boxes or banana leaves. They're left to ferment for 5 to 7 days. Fermentation is crucial. It removes the pulp and develops the chocolate flavor. Step 3. Drying. After fermentation, beans are spread out in the sun and dried for 5 to 7 days. This reduces moisture to prevent mold and prepares them for transport. Dry beans are often turned by hand to ensure even drying. Step 4. Roasting. The dried beans are roasted at temperatures between 120 and 150 degrees Celsius or 250 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Roasting time and temperature vary depending on the flavor profile desired. This step deepens the flavor and loosens the outer shell. Step 5. Cracking and winnowing. Roasted beans are cracked open, and the shell is separated from the inside. The edible part left is called the nib. This is the pure essence of chocolate. Winnowing machines blow away the lighter shells, leaving just the nibs. Step 6. Grinding. Nibs are ground into a thick paste called chocolate liquor, which contains no alcohol. It's made of cocoa solids and cocoa butter. The heat from grinding melts the fat in the nibs, turning it into a smooth liquid. Step 7. Conching. The chocolate liquor is refined further by conching, a process of continuous mixing, grinding, and aerating. Conching can last from a few hours to several days depending on the desired smoothness. This reduces bitterness and develops a rich, silky texture. Step 8. Tempering. Chocolate is cooled and heated in a controlled way to stabilize the cocoa butter crystals. Proper tempering gives chocolate its snap, shine, and smooth mouthfeel. If skipped, the chocolate may look dull or develop white streaks, called bloom. Step 9. Molding and cooling. The tempered chocolate is poured into molds to create bars or shapes. It's then cooled and solidified under controlled conditions. Step 10. Packaging. Once hardened, the chocolate is removed from molds, inspected, and packaged. Now it's ready to be shipped to stores, or devoured.